Hello everyone, I'm back and welcome to my channel. It's so windy outside. What we're going to today is have a go at making Big Mac and cheese. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, and once you've tried the recipe, please give feedback. Thanks. Okay, so for my ingredients, we'll need 1 3/4 cups of macaroni and 1/4 cup of flour. I'll use about 3 tablespoons of butter and half a teaspoon of salt, pepper. I have here mustard powder and paprika, and then also milk is about 2.5 cups, and then for the cheese, about 3 cups of shredded cheese, cheddar cheese. Okay, so first we'll cook the pasta until al dente. Alright, so looks like our pasta is ready. We don't want it to be too soft or soggy, so we'll turn this off and strain. Okay, we'll just remove the water and transfer this to our dish where we're going to bake it. I've put a couple of slices of butter so that the pasta don't stick. And now we'll turn to the pan for the sauce. We'll cook the sauce. Okay, first up is the butter. Okay, we'll let this cook for a bit, and then we'll also put in our seasoning: the salt, the pepper, the paprika, and the mustard powder. Okay, this is our paprika and our salt and pepper, and the mustard powder in. And once that's done, we will now put in our milk and let that thicken. While the sauce is thickened, we'll turn on our oven and also get our dish of pasta ready. I'll sprinkle some cheese in this dish. Once the sauce thickens, then we can pour it in. Alright, so our sauce is now good to go. And we'll turn the heat off and get our oven ready at about 190 degrees centigrade. Okay, while that heats up, then we'll pour our sauce in our baking dish. Okay, so we have our baking dish and we'll top it with cheese before we put it in the oven. Okay, so we have it ready. This is ready to go to the oven, but if you guys have bacon like this one, I have this as leftover. So to make use of it, I'll also put it on top before I put it in the oven. This is optional. There you go. Now we'll put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. And then it'll be ready for serving. Okay, shall we? Alright, so we'll just leave it to bake that for about 20 minutes. We'll set the alarm. Okay. There you go. Alright, so it's done. Now we'll have a look at our final okay, there it is. Yes. Oh, nice. Alrighty, our baked mac and cheese is done. Time to eat. Okay, so how is it?
Very
Go.
nice.
No. Okay, I guess that's a success then. Until next time, thank you for watching. Hope you guys try this recipe.